Can't search or copy text from your PDF? In this video, I'll show you how to make a PDF searchable in seconds using Swifdoo PDF. Method 1. Make a PDF searchable with OCR. Launch Swifdoo PDF on your PC. Click Open to locate and import your scanned PDF. Click the Apply OCR button. Customize the recognized document settings as needed. Then, click Apply to save the changes. Later, the searchable PDF will open in Swifdoo PDF. Press Ctrl+F to search for text in the PDF. Method 2. Convert the PDF to a searchable PDF. Open the PDF in Swifdoo PDF. Switch to the Convert tab. Click the To Searchable PDF option. Set the page range, then click OK. Once done, search in the PDF. Method 3. Make a PDF searchable by converting it to Word. Click the PDF to Word option. Hit Add Files to upload the target PDF file. Select the output format. Finally, click Start. Now, you can search for an exact sentence in the Word file. Thanks for watching. You can also find other useful videos in our playlist.